Wanna look like a real life doll? This Slavic doll look is blowing up. It's flawless skin, big eyes, and pouty lips. Everyone is obsessed with it. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, all things pretty, so if that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm starting with e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. You can totally go for a full coverage foundation if you want that porcelain doll finish. Now concealer under the eyes and around my mouth area. Dolls do not do dark circle or hyperpigmentation, so we're covering that. And of course, spot concealing any acne marks we have. Before setting the face, I like to blend out my under eyes again. It stops my under eyes from creasing. If your under eyes creases too, then this is something you need to try on to see whether it works or not. I'm contouring my nose with Hoola bronzer. Focus on creating a soft shadow, not a harsh line. Blend it from the brow bone down to give that natural lift dolls have. My brows are naturally dark and fluffy. I don't like to overdo them. Just a brow gel to hold them in place, clean but snatched. For blush, I'm using a soft pink shade right on the cheeks and kind of placing it on the high points to give that lifted look, but it's still soft and youthful. Then I'm gonna highlight the nose bridge and tip for that nose button effect. Okay, the base is serving, but stay with me because the eye makeup is where the real doll transformation happens. Starting with a soft dark brown eyeshadow, blending it all over the lace, and I drag it down to my lower lash line. This gives that shadowy deep set doll eye look. So for the liner, add a simple wing, but make sure to draw it from the lower lash line, not the upper. Then add a tiny flick in the inner corner, not too long, just to elongate it. Now this is a game changer. Draw a small line from the outer corner halfway into the lower lash line. It creates that lifted doll-like illusion. Then grab a white eyeliner, line your lower waterline. This step really makes your eyes look twice as big. Don't skip it. Hold your lashes and add some falsies. The bigger the better for this look. Then mascara on the bottom lashes to open your eyes even more. For the lips, I'm gonna contour my upper lips for that shadowy effect. It makes it plump and my upper lips aren't defined, so this is something I like to do it. Line the lips, then go in with a nude lipstick as a base. Now I'm gonna take a red crayon lip tint and pop it in the center of my lips. Then I blur it out for that gradient doll lip. Lastly, topping it off with a gloss for that juicy finish. And this is the final look. This Slavic doll makeup is perfect for icy pick, a date, or just feeling yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what look I should do next. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.